What's up guys, this is Flo and today I'm gonna introduce you to the adjustable dumbbell from SNODE, the 80-pound and 40 kg version if you live in Europe. Let's go! In case you don't know, adjustable dumbbell is basically a dumbbell that can replicate multiple dumbbells. Basically a dumbbell set on a base that will allow you to go from a lightweight all the way to a heavier weight. For example, the European version can go from 6 all the way to 40 kg and the US version can go from 10 pounds all the way to 80 pounds. Which will make you save a ton of space and time. Let's start first with the delivery. It took only a few days to arrive and arrived in multiple boxes. Each dumbbell set was 2 boxes, one for the base and the handle and one for the extra plate. You will also get another box for the stand if you choose to take it. It's basically super easy, and to set up everything you will need around 20 to 30 minutes if you are by yourself to do the stand and the dumbbell set. If you just go for the dumbbell set, it's super easy and only gonna take you a few seconds. Right, I'm just done with the initial setup. It took me around 20-30 minutes by myself, which is pretty easy. If you are too, it's gonna be faster, but the first impression honestly is it's super durable. I think this is the first time that I'm actually impressed with the quality of the build. It looks like it's gonna be unbreakable. The thing that impressed me the most straight away out of the box was the build of the dumbbell set. You see, this is made out of cast iron. This is almost fully made out of cast iron, and if you've been watching around for adjustable dumbbell, you know that many other brands are using plastic. This was the first shocking things in a positive way because it's super strong and you can tell already that it's gonna be super durable. They are also pretty compact. Each dumbbell is 48.7 centimeters long and 16.7 centimeters wide, which is 19.2 inches long and 6.6 inches wide. As you can tell, they are pretty compact, even on their base, which is 49.1 centimeters long and 19.8 centimeters wide, which is 19.3 inches long and 7.8 inches wide. So they are super compact, even for something that can go up to 40 kg or 80 pounds if you live in the US. This is super compact and will remind you regular dumbbells that you can actually find in a gym. So you see this compared to some other brands that are absolutely huge and wide, regardless of the way you choose. Here, if you start with a small amount of weight, it's gonna be super compact, and all the way to 40 or 80 pounds, it's gonna be compact and comfortable to train with. If you live in the US and get the magnetic extra weight, one dumbbell set will replace 24 dumbbell sets. If you do choose to go without the magnetic weight to add at the edge of each dumbbell, it will replace 8 different dumbbells. So if you get this, it will replicate 8 different dumbbells. If you live in the US, it's gonna be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80 pounds. So you get a good amount of option to train with on the pounds version. So in kilogram, it will be 6, 10.5 kg, 15 kg, 19.5 kg, 24 kg, 28.5 kg, 33, and to finish 40. So you will get a good amount of option to choose from regardless of your location. This is great because this is gonna allow you to do different style of training without wasting too much space. To adjust the weight, it is super simple. All you have to do is rotate the dial just here. It's extremely easy. It doesn't require any strain. So regardless of your physical activity, you will be able to go from a lightweight all the way to a heavier weight in no time. And if you've been watching around for adjustable dumbbell and the biggest competitor of SNODE, you can tell that this is slightly different than the rotating option with your wrist that you can find on many other models. Here, I would say that is a different feeling. Yes, it's great to just rotate the handle and go from one way to another, but at the same time, sometimes if the way were not perfectly clipped together, it could be a little bit of struggle with this method. So far, I've been training for weeks with the Snodes and I couldn't find any issue with the dial. It is super easy. So I would say that is slightly different, but extremely easy as well. The only thing is you will have to release your grip and then change the way. So one method or another, it's super easy and effective. One thing that I wish would have been done slightly differently with those dumbbells is the weight adjustment. You see, many competitors will go from, let's say, 2 or 5 pound increment, which is perfect if you want to go for progressive overload, especially on isolation movements such as lateral raise or biceps curl. Here, the SNODE has been done slightly differently with bigger weight increment. As you can see, and as I already said, it can go from 10 to 10 pound increment. And if you go with the kilogram version, it's approximately around 5 kg increment, which can be a lot depending on your physical activity and also the type of exercise you're doing. So I would say that the biggest strength constraint of the SNODE is to be basically unbreakable, and you will have maybe to be more experienced with your training to be able to get the best out of these dumbbells. Yes, if you are living in the US, they do offer magnetic attachment to put at the edge of each dumbbell, which will allow you to go for smaller weight increment, which is definitely great. Unfortunately, this is not an option for the European market, but if you go with other competitor, and I will put the link in the bio, you will be able to find some small clips that you can put on the dial on each side and go for smaller increment, even if you have the kilogram version. So that will be definitely a game changer and will allow you to get the best out of those dumbbells. One thing I love about those dumbbells is that they are flat at the edge of the dumbbell, which will allow you, for example, during your bench press movement or shoulder press movement, to set them on your knees before bringing them above your shoulders or above your chest, which is definitely great compared to some other competitors that have like a weird shape at the end of each dumbbell, which is not comfortable or sometimes even dangerous. Here you got a nice flat platform at the edge of each dumbbell, which will allow you to set your exercises comfortably and safely. Those dumbbells are great for drop sets, super set. If you want to train with somebody that has a different level, it's super quick and easy. You will be able to go from a heavy movement to a light movement. And also, if you are a personal trainer and are often on the way with different people that train with different levels, this is definitely a game changer. You won't be scared that somebody make a mistake with it. They are drop proof. Literally, you will have a warranty drop proof up to 32 inches, which is around 80 centimeters, which is something unknown in the adjustable dumbbell industry. If you've been watching around, you know that this is the biggest concern. Are they gonna break if I make them fall on the ground? The answer is no, and they are even covered for it. And how is it even possible? Well, SNODE went all in into the durability and the way they build their dumbbells. It is almost fully made out of cast iron. Each individual plate is 100% made out of cast iron. If you compare to other competitors such as Nuo, for example, that are still strong and durable, don't get me wrong, but they do have plastic parts that could break over time. Here you can drop them, you can even pass them to other generations because they are unbreakable. You got only few pieces of plastic for the dial, for example, but overall it is like 90 or 95% made out of cast iron, which will make them extremely durable, and that's why they are drop proof. And they also took the extra step to make those even unbreakable, because even the cradle itself, the base, is made out of cast iron. It is heavy. You could even train with it because it's super solid and heavy, and this is something that gives them an edge if you compare to other competitors in the market, because usually we get like this strong cheap plastic that is great, of course, to reduce cost, but it's not super solid over time and can be broken. Here you got something that's never gonna be damaged, and that's good from their part. So if you are somebody that push himself during his training, you know that sometimes you go all in into failure, and it's super challenging, especially at heavier weight, to put them back nicely. So if you do drop them accidentally, they will not break, and that's something you want, especially when you have to invest a high amount of money, because every single adjustable dumbbell that has good quality will be at a higher cost, so you want to protect your investment. Design wise, honestly, it is one of my favorite. It is the usual design. They look like the first version of Nuo, but this time you got a nice chrome handle. The handle is not too grippy and not enough grippy. I think it's perfectly comfortable. You got this mix between black and gray, which always does the job and basically look like a regular dumbbell that you would be able to find at the gym. So design wise, I think it's simple, I think it's effective, I think it works really well, so I don't have any complaint about those designs. The handle is 11.5 centimeters long and 36 millimeters of diameters. This is, to me, the perfect combination. You see, the Nuo, for example, are slightly thinner, which can help with somebody who has smaller hand. I don't even have big hands, but I feel that this is a great combination, especially for pushing movement like chest press, shoulder press. You get a slightly bigger base, and this over time is also gonna help you to build your grip strength, because this is slightly thicker and wider than what you can find on the market. Why do I love adjustable dumbbell sets so much? Well, they're gonna help you to save space, first of all, especially if you train at home like me or in a small home gym. It's great for space saving. It will also help you to save time, but you will be able to train multiple muscles. You see, most people just have a few dumbbell sets. You have a 2 kilo, you have a 10 kg, and it's hard for you to train the whole body. Here, because you can go from a lightweight all the way to a heavier weight, you will be able to train your arms, your shoulders, your legs, even heavier movements such as deadlift, for example. And this is why it is so good, because you have a great versatility in your workout. And if you train from home, this is what you're looking for. You'll be able to do strength workout, endurance workout, even cardio workout. So it's a game changer. Now let's talk about how do they feel while training. Well, the first thing that came to mind was that they are really balanced. You don't feel like more weight on one side or another, and they are super super well connected together. You see, because this is cast iron, the sink is made correctly, you don't have the shakiness that can be found on other competitors. For example, yes, you have a fewer amount of weight increasement, but it also gives a better structure to those dumbbells. So they are one of the most comfortable I've been able to train with. Well done, it's tight together, so you feel that you are safe when you train and it's comfortable. I also choose to get the stands, of course, because those dumbbells, especially when you go heavy, if you put them only on the ground, you will unfortunately kind of have to bend over all the time and you can hurt yourself, because if you go heavy, this is not an ideal position. I decided to go with the stand. It is also 100% made out of cast iron, so it's super durable, strong. Design wise, it is okay. If I could give a small feedback to the company, that would be that it's slightly lower than the competition, so I would have enjoyed having them slightly higher. And why not, like the last dumbbell, having the possibility to adjust the height. Depending on your height, you will be able to adjust it. So overall, if you decided to go for them, I would recommend you to get the stand as well. I think it's a must-have with every single adjustable dumbbell. It is durable and it's gonna help you to protect your back, and over time, this is gonna save you from injuries. So to summarize, I will say that the biggest strength and quality of the SNODE adjustable dumbbell is durability, is the way it has been done. It's the comfort, the grip, the way it's well tied together and comfortable. You don't have any shakiness. It's super comfortable to train with. And unfortunately, the biggest downside of those dumbbells is the weight increasement. It's not ideal if you are a beginner that is just getting started and need more weight increasement, and also to work those small muscle groups that require a smaller amount of weight. So you will have to do big jumps, and that's required a lot of expense to avoid getting injured. The fact that the first weight is 6 kg, again, this is not ideal if you are a beginner, especially for lateral shoulder raise, for example. But overall, you can counter this by using the magnetic on the edge that are provided by SNODE directly on the US version. And if you go with the European version, you will have some small clips that I will put directly in the bio for you, and it will remove this issue. I would say that it's still worth it, especially considering the high quality build of this, which is something almost unknown and unseen in the adjustable dumbbell market. So who should get the SNODE adjustable dumbbell? Well, anybody that is serious with this training, that want to have more versatility to their workout, that want to save time, space, and money over time. If you're looking for something that is reliable, unbreakable, and that will allow you to train with multiple people with different level. If you are a personal trainer that is often training people who have different level and needs. If you are simply looking to build the best and more durable home gym, the SNODE are definitely a game changer and will provide you thousands and thousands of great workouts to build some muscle mass and happiness. And the great news is SNODE is offering us the ability to offer you a great discount regardless if you are in the US or Europe. You will get the link and the code in the description below. If you have any question about this product or any other product from the brand, feel free to ask and I will be more than happy to reply. I wish you a great workout and I see you very soon.